In this video, I will show you how to make your laptop's Wi-Fi signal faster on Windows. So to get started, go ahead and open your Windows 10 or 11 device. Head over at the bottom left of your screen, and in here, go ahead and search for View Network Connection. So this will allow you to view all of the network's connection available for your PC or laptop. Click on that at the top of the search results, and this will pop on your screen. So in here, you'll be able to find where your device is currently connected. So right click on the connection where your device is currently connected and click on properties. So once you click on properties, you'll be taken into this section. So on the properties section, go ahead and look for Internet Protocol version 4. Click on that and go ahead and click on that properties button to be able to configure the property of your IPv4. So you just need to set this and to use the following DNS server addresses. Set the preferred DNS server to 8888 and the alternative DNS server into 8844. Now once you have done that, go ahead and click on that OK button. And after you have set this up, you can enjoy a faster Wi-Fi connection on your PC or laptop. And that's basically how you can do that. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.